Still struggling with messy, disconnected spreadsheets? What if you could turn them into powerful, secure database applications in just a few clicks? Welcome back. Today, we're looking at Grist, a relational spreadsheet database designed to end data chaos. If you love the flexibility of a spreadsheet but need the organization and power of a real database, Grist is built for you. So how does it work? Grist combines the layout of a spreadsheet with the relational power of a database. Instead of forcing your business into rigid, out-of-the-box software, Grist lets you build custom workflows. You can start from scratch or use one of their ready-to-go templates, like a lightweight CRM, an investment spreadsheet, or a class enrollment tracker. But the real game changer is the built-in AI assistant. If you hate writing complex formulas, you can literally just chat with your data. You can ask the AI to analyze your information, write and explain formulas in plain language, and even create or modify records for you. It's like having a data scientist built right into your spreadsheet. On top of that, Grist lets you easily build forms and surveys to collect data, which automatically syncs right back into your database. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. While we don't have a massive pool of third-party user reviews to pull from today, we do know that Grist is highly trusted for security and sovereignty. It's used by large-scale organizations like Les Suite in France to support over 20,000 users, as well as industrial companies like Maddox for on-premise KPI tracking. Because it's open-source friendly and highly customizable, it's incredibly secure. On the flip side, because it is a true relational database, absolute beginners might face a slight learning curve when first setting up complex data relationships, though the AI assistant does a great job of smoothing that out. If you're ready to stop fighting with messy spreadsheets and start building secure AI-powered data tools, head over to getgrist.com to start your free trial. What are you planning to build first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.